Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a kitchen essential that can really elevate your cooking game, the VEVOR Commercial Vegetable Chopper. We've found this highly rated product online and added a link in the description below so you can check out the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what this product is all about. The VEVOR Vegetable Chopper is designed for both home cooks and professionals. Made from heavy-duty stainless steel and aluminum alloy, it boasts durability and corrosion resistance, ensuring it stands up to the rigors of daily use. The food-grade 420 stainless steel blades are not only sharp but also built for hygiene, making this chopper a safe choice for your kitchen. One of the standout features of this chopper is its versatility, thanks to the 4 interchangeable blades it comes with. You've got options: 1/2 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/4 inch blades, in addition to a 6-wedge slicer. Each blade is sturdy and sharp, allowing you to cut your vegetables and fruits into various sizes and shapes to suit your culinary needs. Plus, with 2 spare blades for each size, you're well equipped for all your chopping tasks. The ergonomic pull-down handle is another notable feature. Designed using the principle of leverage, it allows you to easily press down and chop your ingredients with minimal effort. This means you can prepare everything from French fries to vegetable salads quickly and efficiently, saving you valuable time in the kitchen. Stability is crucial when using a chopper, and the VEVOR doesn't disappoint. It has 4 non-slip feet that are wear-proof, shock-absorbing, and odorless, ensuring that the chopper remains firmly in place while you work. This stability translates to better performance and safety during operation. When it comes to cleaning, the VEVOR Vegetable Chopper is user-friendly. The blades and push block are removable, making it easy to wash and maintain. This feature is particularly beneficial for busy kitchens where time is of the essence. So, who is this product suitable for? If you're a home cook who enjoys preparing fresh salads, or if you run a restaurant and need to chop vegetables quickly and consistently, this chopper is perfect for you. Whether you're slicing potatoes for French fries, dicing cucumbers for salads, or cutting apples and pears for desserts, this heavy-duty chopper is versatile enough to handle it all. In practical use cases, imagine preparing a large batch of French fries for a game day gathering or chopping vegetables for a healthy salad in a matter of minutes. The VEVOR Vegetable Chopper can streamline your cooking process, making meal prep not only quicker but also more enjoyable. Overall, if you're looking for a reliable and efficient vegetable chopper that can handle the demands of both a home kitchen and a commercial setting, the VEVOR Vegetable Chopper is a fantastic option to consider.